Hope you are all well. Today we will talk about engine mobile sensor. That mobile sensor in this video. First of all, function of mobile sensor and its location, and after that how to clean mobile sensor. We will clean the sensor. Those who are not on our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you can see every new video. Thank you. First of all, function of number 1 mobile sensor after mobile. Number 2 function, let's see its after mobile location. Number 3 no cleaning of sensor, after that we will do fitting. Function. Number 1 the oil pressure sensor is an important part of the engine lubrication system. Number 2 it measures the pressure of the engine oil. Number 3 the sensor sends oil pressure information to ECU or dashboard gauge. Number 4 it helps the driver know whether the oil pressure is normal or low. Number 4 if the oil pressure becomes low, the warning light turns on. Number 6 low oil pressure can damage engine parts. Number 7 the sensor helps protect the engine from wear and overheating. Number 8 it ensures the engine operates safely and properly. Number 9 a faulty sensor may give incorrect pressure readings. Number 10 therefore a properly working oil pressure sensor is essential for engine safety. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.